The RFID card is a great option for charging, and we recommend you keep your RFID card in your car ready for when you want to make a charge fast. It doesn't rely on mobile reception, so it's also handy to have as a backup, even if you use the SWARCO app. So first of all, let's start with the fast charger. On a rapid charger, simply tap your RFID card against the reader. When using the fast charger, first grab your car's charging cable. Make sure to plug one end into the fast charger before using your RFID card. Tap Start Charge on the screen of the charger and click RFID. Then all you need to do is hold the RFID card against the RFID reader on the fast charger like this. The machine will indicate your charge is authorised, so all you need to do is select the AC connector and plug in the other end of the charging cable into your car's charging port. For a rapid charge, tap Start Charge on the screen of the charger and click RFID. Then hold the RFID card against the RFID reader on the charger like this. The machine will indicate your card is authorised, so all you need to do now is select the correct rapid charge connector for your car, then simply take the correct charging cable for your car. In this case, I'm going to use CCS and plug it into the car. Now, make sure to check the blue light is active on the charging station, and as simple as that, you're now charging. You'll also see this is reflected on the charger screen. When it's time to come back to your car and stop charging, first of all, touch Stop Charge on the screen of the charger. Next, make sure to select RFID and tap your RFID card against the reader. Then press Stop Charge. This will stop the charge on the charger instantly. You can now remove the charging cable from your car and return it to its location. But remember, you might need to unlock your car's charging port first.